What's up friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on driving mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So go ahead and swipe up, tap on settings here, and you want to tap on modes and routines. From here you want to scroll on a bit and you want to tap on driving. And as you can see here, what this is going to do, it's going to open up your map and it's going to limit disruption from apps and notifications. So you just need to go ahead and click on start there, and you can basically connect and set up your Android Auto. You can also connect your Bluetooth if you so desire, right? So let's go ahead and just have the Bluetooth setup is already there. As well, as you can see, you just need to go ahead and pair a device if you need to pair a device here within the Bluetooth, and then basically click on next. Let me go ahead and skip for now. You can also set up the do not disturb as well. So you can basically tap on do not disturb and ensure that you can have app notifications. You can set that do not disturb for app notifications and call or messages, right? So you can go ahead and you can set these to allow. So let's say I don't want any apps to disturb me. I can tap on that and I can just click add app and I can just select whatever app I need, right? And then basically click done. Right, the same goes for call and messages. You can do the same here. You can basically tap on call or messages. You can do that and you can set it for all, and you can also do the same for your calls as well. So you can easily set whatever you want and then basically allow it. Now once you're finished, just simply tap on done and you see that you have the do not disturb there set up. You can go ahead and click on next, and then from here now you can choose what to do in drive mode, right? So you can open an app or do an action, right? You can also set up media volume as well, read notifications aloud, so that you don't have to basically read these. So if a notification comes in, it can read it for you and you don't have to be looking at your screen. So these are some very useful tips, right? So you can tap on that and you basically need to go to your settings here and you can turn on it for Android Auto. You can do whatever. You have a bunch of options here that you can select and basically give those access so that you can read aloud those notifications, right? You can do for specific app as I mentioned. So you can come here and you can choose specific applications as well. You have a bunch of applications, all your applications in your phone that you can select and add to this option as well, so that an app can open or do a particular action. And once you're finished, just basically tap on done and you just need to turn it on and you're right in the driving mode. So it's a very useful tool, guys. Once you're driving, if you have a car and you're driving, you can utilize the driving mode as you can customize this app while driving. So it's very useful. And once you're finished, you can go ahead and you can turn it off, guys. Very useful and very simple.